So I'm busting down this frame. I got all this to like right there. All this right there. All this. Almost all this area. And I got this area. Taking the motor mounts out, so don't worry about those. Got all this area. All that area right there. Here. All this. All this area. Now I'm about to take all this shit right here and take it apart and get this all right there. Then I'm gonna take a break. Then I'm gonna take all that shit apart on both sides. So I'm gonna put it all on. Take all this shit off right here too. I'm gonna put it on jack stands at the bottom. And it should be good to go.